Stop buying hot sauce. This homemade Valentina-style hot sauce costs less, tastes fresher, and might be hotter than the bottle in your fridge. 12 dried guajillo chilies, 4 dried arbol chilies, 2 cups water, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar. Add the chilies to a saucepan with 2 cups water. Simmer for 10 minutes until soft. Transfer the softened chilies and cooking water to a blender. Add 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Blend for 1 minute until completely smooth. Strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve for a silky texture. Pour the strained sauce back into the saucepan and cook on low heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Let it cool completely. The sauce will thicken slightly and develop a richer flavor. Would you make it mild, medium, or extra hot? Comment your heat level below. I want to see who can handle the most spice.